Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we will focus on filtering specified values from an array. The program allows us to remove unwanted elements while keeping the original array updated with only the desired values. We'll explore modern JavaScript techniques like the filter and includes method, and how to work with variable arguments to achieve this functionality. The problem involves taking an array and removing specific values while keeping the remaining elements intact. For example, if the input array is ABCA and we want to remove A, the result should be BC. This solution uses JavaScript methods like filter and the includes method to make this process efficient and easy to implement. Here's the code for our solution. The function accepts an array and a list of values to remove. It checks if the values are provided as an array or separate arguments. The filter method is used to create a new array that excludes the unwanted elements. The original array is cleared by setting its length to 0, and it is repopulated with the filtered values. Finally, the function returns the filtered values for reference. Let's break this program into steps. First, the function determines whether the values to be removed are in an array or passed as separate arguments. Second, it filters the original array, excluding elements that match the specified values. Third, the original array is cleared by setting its length to 0. Fourth, the filtered elements are added back to the original array, ensuring it is updated in place. The function returns the filtered values for reference, which can be useful in some scenarios. Let's analyze some example. For the array of ABCA, the values A and C to remove, the function updates the array to BB. For the array of ABCA, with the value B to remove, the result is ACAC. These examples demonstrate how the function handles multiple or single values to remove, ensuring the original array is updated correctly. The ES6 version of this function leverages modern JavaScript features, like the spread operator and arrow functions. It achieves the same functionality in a concise and readable manner, while maintaining the efficiency of the original implementation. In summary, this program allows you to filter specified values from an array efficiently, updating the original array in the process. By using filter and other JavaScript methods, we achieve a clean and effective solution that can handle various scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.